How to get line count of a large file cheaply in Python? How do I get a line count of a large file in the most memory and time efficient manner?
You can't get any better than that. After all, any solution will have to read the entire file, figure out how many \n you have, and return that result. Do you have a better way of doing that without reading the entire file? Not sure. The best solution will always be IO bound. Best you can do is make sure you don't use unnecessary memory, but it looks like you have that covered.
One line, probably pretty fast.
I believe that a memory mapped file will be the fastest solution. I tried 4 functions, the function posted by the opcount, a simple iteration over the lines in the file, simplecount, readline with a memory mapped filed, mapcount, and the buffer read solution offered by Mikola Karijgo, buffcount. I ran each function 5 times, and calculated the average runtime for a 1.2 million line text file. Windows XP, Python 2.5, 2 GB RAM, 2 GHz AMD processor. Here are my results. Edit, numbers for Python 2.6. So the buffer read strategy seems to be the fastest for Windows/Python 2.6. Here is the code.
I had to post this on a similar question until my reputation score jumped a bit, thanks to whoever bumped me. All of these solutions ignore one way to make this run considerably faster, namely by using the unbuffered, raw, interface, using byte arrays, and doing your own buffering. This only applies in Python 3. In Python 2, the raw interface may or may not be used by default, but in Python 3, you'll default into Unicode. Using a modified version of the timing tool, I believe the following code is faster, and marginally more Pythonic, than any of the solutions offered. Using a separate generator function, this runs a smidge faster. This can be done completely with generators expressions inline using itertools, but it gets pretty weird looking. Here are my timings.